Okay, Chef Ellie and Chef Sierra, what recipe are we making today?
The perfect mix, because we both like cats.
Great. So, tell me what the first ingredients are.
The first ingredients are 1/4 cup of Chex Mix.
Okay, go ahead and show me 1/4 cup of Chex Mix. Use your gloved hand to touch the food, please. Yep, there we go. Okay, what's the next ingredient?
1/4 cup of Cheerios, which I'm doing.
So how did you guys decide what mix you are going to do?
Well, when we thought of it, it kind of reminded us of the fur of a cat, with the tortoiseshell cat with lights and darks and blacks and browns. And then next is chocolate chips.
How did you decide the measurements?
Because to make it all even. Because 1/4, 5 1/4 is 1 1/4 is what we needed.
Okay. Oh, use your gloved hand if you're going to scrape something off. There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Excellent. We want to be very clean in our kitchen. Nice job, Chef Ellie.
Don't share this anymore.
Sierra, what are the next ingredients?
Peanut butter chips. I will be having you these. And last, mini pretzels. Which also I will be hitting you with.
So now what would be your directions for your recipe in order to mix all these ingredients appropriately?
Start with small.
Okay.
Small.
We don't have a spoon today. What's going to be your plan B?
We could use one of the small cups. Could use one of these.
Let's use this as your mixing bowl.
Substitutes.
So how do we know when it's all mixed properly?
When there's not a whole bunch of clumps of like Chex Mix in one area and then Cheerios in a whole nother,
Right.
you want to get it nice and even everywhere.
Great. Now you're going to need to put it in 2 Ziploc baggies, one for Ellie and one for yourself. So how are we going to split this 1 1/4 in half?
1/2 and then 1/8 for each bag.
How do we know that?
Because 1/2 is half of 1 cup, and then 1/8 is half of 1/4.
We could also use the 1/2 cup and the 1/8 cup. Yeah, measure
Excellent.
right.
So after you measure 1/2 and 1/8 and put it in a bag, do you need to measure the other 1/2 and 1/8?
No.
Because it should be split evenly. So, anything else that you want to tell our chefs on the Chef Network?
We actually came up with a little slogan with it, since it's so good a cat could eat it, since cats are very picky.
Yeah.
Great.
They are quite picky. Cat will like something the other day and hate it the next.
Yeah.
Chef Sierra and Chef Ellie signing off. Wave goodbye.
Bye.